Now, where is the difference between the two? The Pandas series is just a column which has got the data. But now data frame, it is it is a tempo like showing various columns, right? So it should be first column, second column, third column, and rows. And first row, second row, third row, until the infinity. But when it comes to series, that is just a row. Let's say just a cell, which is like a row, but to be clean, we can call it a cell, just a cell having some combination of data. So the difference is clearly that the series is just a column within it has got some information or data. On other hand, the data frame, it is a combination of columns and rows, more than two. That's what it means. So that is it. Let's change them. So to change them is like the following. So you can say set them count. Let's say it equal to data frame. And remember, it is camel case, right? Let's continue with this in next